Pet hair everywhere? Carpets that never seem truly clean no matter how much you vacuum? The Dyson Ball Animal 3. Extra delivers the best cleaning performance of any upright detangling vacuum, engineered specifically for homes with pets. This powerhouse features the revolutionary motor bar cleaner head with automatic detangling technology that clears wrapped hair from the brush bar as you clean. No more stopping to cut away tangled mess. With 290 air watts of powerful suction and radial root cyclone technology, this vacuum captures dust and allergens with no loss of suction from start to finish. The innovative ball technology lets you navigate smoothly around furniture and obstacles with just a turn of your wrist, making cleaning faster and easier than ever. 5 premium Dyson-engineered accessories include a specialized pet groom tool that removes loose hair and allergens directly from your pet before they spread around your home, plus a Tangle-free turbine tool perfect for upholstery and car interiors. 3 cleaning modes let you adjust suction for deep pile carpets, medium pile, or hard floors and ground-in dirt. With up to 50 feet of combined reach and advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99.97% of particles, this vacuum delivers a whole home deep clean. Ready for the ultimate pet hair solution? Check the description and comments for the product link.